Hi guys, I hope you're all well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this moisturizing hair cream. I hope you enjoy. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get right into the video. So in this bowl here I've got some cetyl alcohol, some emulsifying wax, some castor oil, some coconut oil, and some shea butter. I'll leave the exact measurements for everything in the description box below as always. And yeah, in my other bowl I've got some aloe vera juice and some vegetable glycerin. So what I'm going to do is put this in the microwave and dissolve the oils and the butters and get the aloe vera to be at the same temperature as the oils, and then I'm going to combine the two and I'm going to stick blend it until it's completely mixed together. You guys know, and I'm sure you've heard, that aloe vera is deeply moisturizing both for the skin and hair. It works amazingly, especially if you have dry curly hair like I do. So this is a very thick butter. When you start making it, a little bit watery when it's still warm. Once it cools down, it starts to thicken. So I basically gave it a few minutes, came back, and then I stick blended it again. As you can see, it's already thickening up. Once it was like almost completely cooled, I went ahead and added my essential oil, and I used liquid germall plus for my preservative at 0.5%. I use frankincense for my essential oil. You can use any essential oil that you prefer. Give it another good stir and you're basically good to go. Once you've given this a good mix, transfer it into a container of choice. The container has to be sterilized and completely clean because you don't want any bacteria in here. And I usually leave all my creams overnight before I put the lid on them, just to make sure they're completely cool and I don't trap any moisture in there that will make my product go bad. So yeah, you guys try it out. Let me know how you go. I'm sure you will really love this cream. It helps so much, especially because it has castor oil, which really helps with hair growth. Shea butter is an amazing moisturizer. So is coconut oil. If you're allergic to coconut oil, you can always eliminate it and just increase the amount of castor oil you use, or you can use olive oil as a substitute. But yeah, look at this, so creamy. It looks like you can eat it, but don't eat it. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up once again and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. I upload on there quite frequently and I've done a few giveaways on there as well, so follow me and stay tuned. You can also further support me by going on my website, which is www.LusciousSkin&Hair.com, and you can buy some of my products. And yeah, or you can subscribe to my mailing list as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.